Hello and welcome to the ICCAP tutorial series. For ICCAP beginners, the circuit part can be confusing. In tutorial 2, we briefly introduced how to use a model car or a library file in the circuit setup. In this video, we'll focus specifically on the device statement. We'll use the Spectre format as an example and walk through how a device statement is defined and used in the circuit section. After watching this video, together with tutorial 2, you should have a much better understanding of how to create a complete circuit that is ready for simulation in ICCAP. We have 3 examples here, and we'll use those 3 examples to show how the device statement works. So the first one is device statement with a single model car. And we go to the circuit part. You can see it's very simple. We'll use a very simple NPN example. It only includes 2 parameters. In the real case, the model has more parameters, but we just want to use a simplified case to show how the statement works. So the first line is the device statement for the BGT. It's a queue followed by the nodes and then the name and then an area instance and followed by the model car, model name, and then the parameters. The template parses the model car into the model parameters page and the device parameters into the DOT parameter page. So here, the IS and the BF, those are model parameters, and area in the device statement, it is DOT parameter. It is device parameters, and it will be passed into a DOT parameter page. And the device statement provides external nodes, the CBES. Okay, now let's go to the second example. The second example is a single subcircuit block configuration. And this configuration interprets the subcircuit as a single device. If the subcircuit includes a parameter statement, the template passes these parameters as device parameters, where they can appear on the DOT parameter table, and all parameters on model or device statement within a subcircuit, they will appear on the model parameter table. In some situations, you must extract parameters from a device defined by a subcircuit whose parameters listed in the parameters statement within the subcircuit are your model parameters and not your device parameters. In this case, we can use the device statement followed by a subcircuit block configuration. In this configuration, all parameters listed in the subcircuit parameter statement, they are passed as model parameters, unless they are referenced on the device statement, in which case they are treated as device parameters. Okay, that's all the 3 examples. Thanks for watching.